Good day guys, and you're welcome back again to our channel. Alright, so right now you can see we want to show you the latest about the ARI Wallet Airdrop. Okay, so for those that have been able to complete their proof, the tax proof submission has ended on the ARI wallet. Okay, so right now they've just updated on the X, and let's see what we have for you. So before then, if you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on our notifications so you don't miss any update. All right, so here they say ARI wallet registration has been completed. Now, users who hold, I'm reading from here, who hold an UG role for hire, please complete your information registration within Discord. So this one is specifically for Discord. Okay, so ARI chain will never ask for your wallet, seed phrase, or any external link. Please stay alert and avoid scam links. Okay, so if you are among those that got the OG role or anything higher than that, then you still need to go to your Discord to complete the registration. So if you are confused about the OG role, is actually for those that participated in the Galzi task. Okay, and that was some months ago. So if you are those that win, I think it's about 100 people or thereabout. So if you're among those that actually got the OG role, then you need to go to the Discord and complete the registration. Also, after the task completion has ended, I also think the Discord is still ongoing, right? So for those that have not done the Discord, it means that they can still use the Discord registration, because all those that are on the OG role can still access it. Okay, so and also those that are complaining that they are not getting the keyboard for the Discord registration, I think since the link has expired, only those that are able to join Discord long ago can actually complete the registration. So if you are not being able to register on the Discord, our advice you just wait. So let's hope the Discord is not going to be part of the main criteria for the airdrop. Okay, and if it's going to be part of it, let's see how it's going to work out at the end of the day. So this is it, and stay tuned for the next phase of ARI chain. So we'll be giving you all the latest updates as we proceed further. See you in the next one.